Dogecoin is completely in the profit, and everybody know this. You can see my brother, this is the Lio, you can see here update. So Dogecoin is completely moving upward now, and congratulations everyone. You can see here in last 2.5 hours just in all the other one, my friend. Dogecoin is completely and the loss now, completely dumps down day by day, minute by minute. This is the reality. I cannot give you a fake news, my brother. I'm sorry for that, but this time you can see my brother in last 24 hours minus 4.6% their loss. Dogecoin is completely dumps down, but my friends, after a Dogecoin a hard working team, my brother, you know Dogecoin team is doing very hard work, my brothers, to Dogecoin will move upward now. So therefore sometime they will take a very huge jump now, and this is very good for a short term investor who invests, my brother, for short term. Definitely, my friend, this coin is very good for my friend short term investor. Otherwise, if you are invest for a long time in Dogecoin, so then don't see, my friend, this short fails and short dumps, short jump and pumps, my friend. Absolutely, my brother, if you can see this, so you cannot get a profit. So try to understand, my brother. Don't see this, ignore this all, and just in all the, my friend, wait for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. I hope, my brother, after a very long time they will give you a very good profit now. So please, I hope you understand now, my brother. You can see here the Dogecoin price 0.18 USD dollar, and you can see here the 24-hour volume, so 918 billion, and you can see here the available supply, so 130 billion now, my brother. So the market cap, you can see here 23 billion, and total supply, you can see here 130 billion. That's me, my brothers, to Dogecoin will move upward, but definitely, my friend, you can see here sometime they will very badly fail us down. So therefore try to understand holder, or this time absolutely they are going very bad, but I hope, my brother, in upcoming time there is a lot of chances that they will move upward now. So let's see, my brother, we need to hold and we need to wait for a good time. I hope the Dogecoin price will be increasing. So a lot of holders ask me to please tell us to what we do at the same time. So I will tell you, I just share my opinion to please hold it. If you hold to the end of this July, my friend, I hope, my brother, at the end of month, especially for short-term investor, I hope at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So what's your opinion? Tell me in a comment box. I already share my opinion to please hold, and what's your opinion? Tell me in a comment box. Thanks for watching Dogecoin Holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.